Welcome po sa BIMS App Tutorial 17. Sa video na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Exchange Tile ng BIMS App. Ang Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Exchange Module ay designed para magkaroon ng secure fingerprint sharing between barangays. Ginagamit ito para suportahan ang identity verification across barangay boundaries. Sa main dashboard, makikita natin ang tile na Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Exchange. Kapag binuksan ito, dadalhin tayo sa Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Screen. Dito makikita ang main sections ng module. Una ay ang Load Fingerprint. Ito ang ginagamit para mag-load, mag-upload, or mag-capture ng fingerprint data either from a file or from a live fingerprint scanner. Ang purpose nito ay makuha muna ang fingerprint data bago ito ipadala for verification. Next is Lookup Barangay. Ito naman ang ginagamit para hanapin ang target or destination barangay. The system uses a centralized registry lookup para ma-identify kung saan ipapadala ang fingerprint request. This is important because inter-barangay verification requires correct destination selection. Dapat siguraduhin ng user na tama ang barangay bago mag-send ng fingerprint data. Another important feature is Send Fingerprint. Ito ang action na ginagamit para i-transmit ang loaded fingerprint to the receiving barangay for matching and verification. There is also a fingerprint preview section. Dito makikita kung may fingerprint image or data na na-load. This helps the user confirm that the correct fingerprint was captured or uploaded before sending. The general workflow is simple. First, load or capture a fingerprint. Second, select the target barangay using the lookup tool. Third, send the fingerprint for matching. Then, wait for the verification result from the receiving barangay. Behind the scenes, the system uses a centralized registry to locate barangay endpoints. This allows the sending barangay to find where the receiving barangay can be contacted. Fingerprint data is transmitted securely, and the module supports both live capture and file-based input. Mahalagang tandaan na the fingerprint must be clear and properly captured. Kung malabo or mali ang captured fingerprint, maaaring hindi maging accurate ang matching result. Also, the destination barangay must be online and reachable. Since verification depends on the receiving barangay database, the result also depends on whether that barangay has the matching resident or fingerprint record. Sa right side, makikita ang Inter-Barangay Fingerprint System Overview Help Panel. Dito ipinapaliwanag kung ano ang ginagawa ng section, ang core features, how to use the module, system behavior, important notes, system impact, and useful tip. The system impact of this module is very important. It improves identity verification across LGUs, helps prevent duplication and fraud, and supports inter-barangay coordination and services. In summary, ang Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Exchange Tile ay designed para makatulong sa secure identity verification between barangays. It connects fingerprint loading, barangay lookup, secure transmission, fingerprint preview, central registry lookup, and receiving barangay matching into one coordinated workflow. Sa future how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan natin ang detailed steps tulad ng paano mag-load ng fingerprint, paano gumamit ng live scanner, paano mag-lookup ng destination barangay, paano mag-send ng fingerprint, and paano basahin ang verification result. For now, ito muna ang overview ng Inter-Barangay Fingerprint Exchange Tile. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS app button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.